In this video, we're going to write the equation of a quadratic function in standard form, given the equation in general form. So they give us this general form equation, and they want us to go to standard form, which is vertex form. So remember, vertex form, also known as standard. Okay, vertex form is f of x equals a x minus h squared plus k. Kind of ran that too close to this piece, but a x minus h squared plus k. I'll write it again here. Okay, first of all, we know the a value for this equation. A is going to equal 4. Leading coefficient will still be the leading coefficient for vertex form. What we need to find is we need to find the h and k value, which means we need to find the vertex. So to find the vertex, we got to use the vertex equation, negative b over 2a, comma f of negative b over 2a. So I'm going to say that this x value, okay, is going to equal negative b, which is 5, over 2 times a, which is 4. So I end up with negative 5 over 8 for the x value. So I can now write my vertex as negative 5 over 8, comma, screw that up, negative 5 over 8, comma, f of negative 5 over 8. So then I need to go through and I need to write that piece out. So I need to say that what happens when I plug in negative 5/8? Well, I'm going to have f of negative 5/8, which would equal 4 times negative 5/8 squared plus 5 times negative 5 or negative 5/8 minus 6. So let's go ahead and I'm going to use a calculator to do most of this. So negative 5 over 8 times itself gives you 25 over 64. We're going to take that times 4. So I get 25 over 16 here. When I multiply here, I end up with negative 25 over 8 minus 6. Let's plug all that in the calculator. So minus 25 over 8 minus 6. Obviously, you can find common denominators here. I'm just trying to be quick. So negative 121 over 16. So my vertex would actually be negative 5/8, comma, negative 121 over 16, which means my h value is negative 5/8, and my k value is negative 121 over 16. So now I can plug all those into my equation. So I have f of x is equal to 4 x. Remember, this is minus h, so I'm going to do the opposite sign. So that's really plus 5/8 squared minus 121 over 16. Let's do a second example. So again, we know that we're trying to get this form, which is vertex form, a x minus h squared plus k. We know a is equal to 4. Now I need to find the vertex. So to find the vertex, again, I'm going to use negative b over 2a, comma, f of negative b over 2a. So they give us a is 4, b is negative 16, and c is 17. So we're going to say that x term is negative b over 2a, which would be negative 16, because that's the b term, over 2 times 4. So I end up with 16 over 8, which is 2. So my x value is 2. I can write that as 2 comma f of 2 now. And I need to find out what f of 2 is. Well, I just plug that in. So 4 times 2 squared minus 16 times 2, plug it in the original function, plus 17. So this ends up being 4 times 4, which is 16, minus 32, plus 17. So 16 and 17 is 33. So I end up with 1 there for my f of 2. So my vertex then is 2 comma 1. So that means my h value is 2 and my k value is 1. So I can plug all that into the equation, and we get 4x minus 2 squared plus 1. And that's how we write the equation of a quadratic function in standard form given the equation in general form.